Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Classes for You. Today my topic is the triangle and its property, which is for class 7. Okay, so in this video I will just explain few concepts, okay, which will be very useful you to solve or to understand. Okay, so see those concepts: medians of a triangle, then altitudes of a triangle, okay, then exterior angle of a triangle and its property. First we will see about medians. Medians क्या होता है ना, बहुत सारे लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं medians and altitudes. So I will clear that concept here. See, consider this is a triangle ABC. Its three vertex are there. So you can say as three vertex are there, so here three medians will be there, as you can find here. Okay, three medians are there. So friends, median can be defined as it is the line segment that is from vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side of a triangle. So here I can say AD is my median. Okay, but in case of equilateral triangle, as in equilateral triangle all these three sides are equal, so three medians you will find here. Okay, that is your BE, CF and AD. Here are three medians. Okay, and in case of isosceles where two sides are equal, then you can say here two medians are there. Okay, two medians will be there which are same. Next we will see about altitudes. Altitudes, that difference is there, altitude and median. See, if there is a triangle, again it has three vertex, that is A, B, C. So altitude can be defined as it is a perpendicular line which is from the vertex to the opposite side of the triangle. So friends, altitude means always remember perpendicular line, and median is your simple line segment, okay, which comes from the vertex. Again, in equilateral triangle, if all three sides are equal, in these altitudes are same, you can say, or medians of this triangle. Altitudes and median when together says as perpendicular bisector. So here you find three perpendicular bisector are there. This is 1, 2 and 3, you can say. Here three perpendicular bisector are there. In case of isosceles triangle, this altitude or this, there is only one perpendicular bisector are there. See, here in this isosceles, as two sides are equal, so you will find here only one perpendicular bisector. Okay, this concept is about medians of a triangle and altitudes of a triangle. Hope so you understood these concepts very well. You can say here, as this is your median, here you can say BE is your altitude. Okay, so in this way you can solve your problem. Okay, next we will see about third concept, that is exterior angle of a triangle and its property. See my third concept, that is exterior angle of a triangle and its property. So for this, first I will explain the property. What is that? Exterior angle of a triangle. What it says? That exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its opposite interior angle. What it says, friends, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its opposite interior angle. For this, I will take example which will be very clear to you. Okay, see those example. Consider here is a triangle. Okay, and its degree, suppose I will take as 50 degree and 70 degree. Okay, and this you need to find this unknown, that is your x. Okay, so friends, my property tells that exterior angle, see here friends, this is exterior angle. Okay, exterior angle is equal to the sum of its opposite interior angle. So I can say here x is equal to what is that, 50 plus 70 degree, which I get as 120 degree. Okay, what I will get, x is equals to 120 degree. So this property tells us that sum of these two opposite interior angle is equal to the exterior angle. Let us consider one more example. See here is a triangle. I draw as a right angle. Okay. This is your 90 degree. Okay, and here I can say, suppose I need to find this one. What say take it as x. Okay, and this is my, that is 130. Consider as 130. Okay, so friends, I need to find this interior angle now. As same formula you need to understand here also. See friends, my exterior angle, that is 130 degree, is my exterior angle, is equal to the sum of opposite interior angle. Same concept you have to put here. What I did, my exterior angle is equal to the sum of its opposite interior angle. So here I need to find x. So what I will do friends, this 130 minus 90, okay, is equal to your x. So how much 130 minus 90? See, here you will get x is equals to, that is your 40 degree. So in this way you can find your exterior angle of this and its property. By using its property you can find your exterior angle. And friends, there is more concept which I will cover in my next video. So please watch it and listen carefully this concept. It will be very useful for you to solve various problems also. So thank you.